So I find this feature very useful, and that is in the map, navigation map, and I've plotted, and you can see where I am right now. And if I go out, move out now, you can see this is the range that I have right now. This is the region I can reach on this battery level. I think that is very cool. It's very visual and very yeah, it's just very simple to understand, and then you can like move in and see, okay, I can reach there and there. So, but this is of course based on how I've been driving lately, so this may not be the actual range, but since I've been being pretty light on the or heavy on my foot on the gas pedal in the first few days, this is the distance and the range the car predicts, but I'm pretty sure I can go further. Okay, there it went up. So cool stuff. Yeah.